What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I need to cut my hair badly, so I'm wearing shades, but yeah, it makes me even look weirder. Tariffs are getting crazy. Things are going nuts on Amazon, Shopify, everywhere right now for e-commerce brands. But I will tell you, I created something that I'm so excited about. It's a TikTok shop setup and scale checklist. And I'm going through it right now because I know this could be exactly what you need. It's got shop setup with optimization. I did this all myself, and I can't wait because I'm going to update it more and more each week. And shop setup. Now, this is an entire SOP on what you need to do to scale your TikTok shop or to set up your TikTok shop and register, from whether to do it as an individual, whether to do it with an EIN. If you want to partner with TikTokshop.co like us, where we can help you register under our entity and do a partnership together. It's going to cover your TikTok shop setup for your pixel so you can run ads, how to launch Spark ads, how to do influencer marketing, how to test hooks, how to scale gradually to where you're doing a 20 to 30% increase in sales daily, with both content, organic, and ads. So with TikTok, it's not like Amazon at all. You have to use video, short form, keep it really tight and really attractive. That is what sells all the products. It's like optimizing your listing on Shopify or on Amazon, but it's in video form. That's the key killer about TikTok that people don't understand. You don't need to be a masterful, crazy 100 million affiliates type of person. You just need to get good video from the right people and know who to pay. Nudge, nudge. TikTokshop.co with your boy here can help you figure that out. Now, once you have the video and you have the TikTok shop set up, then you're going to have to go ahead and do the optimizations of your listing so that you can create a more attractive product. That is what this next SOP is all about. And so we go into that. It's the same thing. How to use your images. I'll share a bit. Upload high resolution for your background images, use lifestyle images. One demo of how it works: you can add a video and you can add snippets of the video onto your listing to make it more attractive. Now, you can bundle up. That's something that you can find more about in this checklist, and that's why I'm kind of gatekeeping it, pushing it to the next thing. Then the affiliate marketing and influencer curation system. Now, this I'm not actually going to open because it teaches you so much. I cannot share this because it's so valuable. Now, if you use tools like Fastmoss, you can see exactly who is scaling at what point, what they're doing, how they're scaling, and how many videos and affiliates they're working with. This SOP is going to guide you down and give you 2 different tools that's actually going to be beneficial for it. And it's going to break down the exact strategy, how to scale, how to find your niche, how to do your curation process, how to create a short list, and how to DM and create a script. It's too good. And then we're going to go into ads. Of course, the little tip here is what I've been talking about in the past. If you have a TikTok video that's doing well on TikTok organically, the only other thing to do is to put a ring on it and start your ads process. So that teaches you basically how to do and calculate your CTR, your CPA, your ROAS, right? Like what your return is, just like Amazon, just like Shopify, Meta. And then how to focus on your TikTok pixel, how to set that up. And then it goes more into the details of that as well. Your competitor and market research, of course, because you would need to figure out who are your main competitors, how to beat them out, and how to possibly scale past them. And once you're there, you have your first 6 to 7 figures figured out, right? If you get the right team involved, just like us, we can help you get set up and there's no issues. Now, so if you want to diversify from Amazon or Shopify, if you're tired of guessing with influencers and ads, you want to scale on low cost per acquisition platforms while they're hot, and you want a step-by-step plan with real examples, this is the checklist. Go ahead and get it. Right now, it's $127. Go at it. Go through it, figure it out, get set up. If you want to scale quicker and do it for free, hit me up and book a call on the link below. I'm going to help you set up your TikTok shop and see what it's like for you to be set up and how long that will take. All right, guys, it's been a good one. Peace. Boom.